Good morning. Did you know today is Giving Tuesday? In a response to the unprecedented need caused by COVID-19, the National Day of Giving Back is happening early. Today is also Cinco de Mayo, which brings me to 3 ways you can give back today, starting with this cocktail. 1. Support the hospitality industry by posting a picture or a video of yourself with anything in your glass and mentioning the people you care about. Tag Cincoro Tequila and use the hashtag #ToastYourTeam to receive an easy link for $10 that will go toward Restaurant Strong or the Bartender's Emergency Fund. Donating has never been so easy or so delicious. Cheers, toast your team. 2. For New Yorkers, check out the Paycheck Project. It was founded by a school teacher who figured out how to support small businesses and entrepreneurs by raising money to pay them to provide much needed products and services in the community. You can partner, donate, or both. 3. Anyone who is homeschooling realizes the importance of cultivating creativity and confident self-expression. The Community Word Project continues to provide dynamic arts education for underserved schools in the New York City area in this challenging time. You can find all of the links and information necessary to partner, donate, get involved. It's all on the Divino blog, down there and up here. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you.